Being outside being outside when there's literally, I feel like a lot of people are sleeping, just a couple cars are driving by, and I have looked around, I haven't really seen anyone outside, so this is new. Okay, so I've been waiting for the sun to rise ever since. It doesn't look like it's rising now, plus it looks kind of gloomy, if you can see. Ooh, it's kind of cute. I saw the little pink. Yeah, anyways. I brought out so many pairs of heels to wear, only to end up deciding to wear flats because I just thought about it and I really can't kill myself right now. I can't stress, so flats it is. What else? Probably from back. Say hi, Philip.
Hi.
Mr. Bill, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi guys. Merry Christmas. Well guys, there's a mint in my mouth, so that's why I keep sucking. But we're here in church to praise the Lord Jesus, eh? So let's go praise God.
Will surface.
Amen.
Because as it is now, 2, 3 is already at the back of the door, telling 2 that leave. You have done all God has given you. Leave. I want to come in because I came with packages of joy, happiness, good, outstanding success. Nobody is saying amen.
Amen. Content creator. Ooh, so pretty. Nice.
Alright.
I am so very annoyed right now. Why am I annoyed? Why are you annoyed, Nene? You may ask. Everything for the food we're meant to cook today, fried rice, obviously, has been ready for a while. It's just bell pepper we didn't have. And I didn't get the bell pepper till today. Today now, everywhere is closed. I got down from the bus and took a long ass walk, like a very long and tedious, annoying, obviously walk. And I still did not find bell pepper. So now what am I going to eat for Christmas Day? My fried rice fantasy has been ruined. I'm not saying shalom. Hi, Tachi. Where is confidence?
내가 아주 큰 남 꼭대기에 혼자 있다고 생각하려고 했어. 아무도 못.
I should really stop it in public.
My Christmas vlog was stopped in the middle of the vlog because something crazy happened. So I was supposed to cook fried rice and then we forgot to buy bell pepper and sweet corn, and I searched.
Have you called Rita?
Everywhere. No, I've not called her. Please call her. I searched everywhere for bell pepper. I didn't find, and I trekked. The rain beat me with my makeup, wearing white, so many things. So I was just irritated. But then someone invited us to come eat Christmas food, and I went there. And we ate like a lot of food. We ate rice and fried goat meat, and then we ate a big pot of goat's head pepper soup. It was nice. So I had fun for the rest of the day, but I couldn't film it because, oh, by the way, my phone is bad. My phone is bad.
All of you look like you want to go and photo shoot. And I'm the odd one.
We're here. Say hi. Hi, Favor. Favor. Let me see.
Where are you from exactly?
I'm Nigerian.
So you live here?
I school here, not necessarily live.
You're okay, I was going to tell you to tell donation.
I won't mind. Well, let me see what's going on here.
Okay, this is baskets.
Okay. Ooh.
Baskets. This is local. This is a coconut jewelry cup.
Oh.
And that is coconut chains.
Coconut, all made from coconut?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Coconut. That's fruit tree, coconut. It's coconut oil. Coconut oils.
Nice.
Weed oil. This is made from local wood. The shells.
Alright.
This is table mats and
Okay. Raffia mats. Okay. Nice. Well, thank you. Ooh.
So this is game. So we're trying to play. It's darts, basically. There's a dart board. So you can either get a free drink, you can miss,
Yeah.
or you get a free hat. But I'm using hat. So maybe it's I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Christmas hats maybe. Sell me your market.
Why?
Tell me, no, I'll get it, I promise. So what's the drink? Tell me about it.
It's food.
Oh, food! Oh, food! I thought you were talking about a drink.
Coconut crunchy.
Yes, please. Okay, so what food did you experiment?
I made Rice Krispies.
Ooh. Okay.
So I want you to taste it. But
Yeah. Okay, how much is it?
Mommy, how much?
I can tell you how much you're right.
Yes.
But you're the one creating it. You don't know how much money you spend. So you should be able to be the one to calculate what your profit margin is going to be.
Tell me, I'm
What
listening.
does
$4 one piece? Okay, we'll have one.
You drive a good way.
Yeah, you drive a good bargain. I'm sold, totally sold. This is a famous, world famous rice crispy, eh? And we're about to try it.
The pastry was so fucking annoying, bro. What's the reason they exist?
It's nice. I'm going to have to struggle like 3 days in the gym to work this out.
I know.
It's nice. I like it. It tastes like the actual one. A bit better. Powder. Right? Exactly. Everyone came to see.
You know what everybody came to see. It's so beautiful.
What is this? Look at all that.
You are beautiful.
Right? So cute. Oh, what a style. Like, look how clean and nice. Bye, Otis. Right? Bye. It has been on the charts. No matter how many times you play it, to hit.
And that's so funny. I even prefer Terminator to Johan.
She don't remember.